How to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one strategy done two ways, and that's how you're going to be able to earn. Now, with this strategy, this is something that I have done in my business. I have done recently in my business, and it works like a charm. It costs you no money pretty much to get started with this. With this strategy, it's really simple to do. It's by far one of the simplest ways to get started with affiliate marketing. It's the exact way that I got started with affiliate marketing and how I earned my first $1,500 online using this strategy. So make sure you have pen and paper ready. Make sure you watch all the way into the end so you can really understand how this strategy will work for you. And then also, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how you can earn income online. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And then also below this video, in the description below, I also include some more additional information, including trainings on how you can get started with affiliate marketing and things like that. And then also, if this is your first time watching, comment below. Let me know where in the world you are watching from. And let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. So right now we're inside of my Facebook group, and as you guys can see here, this is a testimonial from Peter. Now, he implemented this strategy and he actually got his first 3 sales online with this strategy. So this works, guys. Once you have everything set up, and just go ahead and start, just get started and just be consistent with this, you too can see results with this strategy. So with this strategy is basically we're doing video reviews of upcoming affiliate products or previously released affiliate products on YouTube. All we're doing is doing reviews. And with this strategy, you don't have to show your face. Some of the reviews that I have done, especially when I first got started, I didn't even show my face. I had a bad camera, I had a bad laptop, everything, but I just went ahead and got started, and I still was able to generate sales even with a bad laptop. I didn't have a fancy camera, I didn't have a expensive microphone or anything like that. I had a dusty laptop that I used, and I was still able to generate sales with this strategy. So again, we're going to find affiliate marketing products, and we're going to actually promote those on YouTube. Now, you can do this with any niche if you're trying to generate sales, but this is what really works inside of the niche that I'm actually a part of, which is affiliate marketing, make money from home, right? So what I'm going to share with you is the 2 ways that you can actually do this strategy. So the first strategy is called launch jacking. So on this website that we're looking at right now, it's called Monetize.com. Now on Monetize, they have a list of all the upcoming launches, not all of them, but a good majority of them that are about to be launched in the next few weeks or the next few months. So what you would do once you're on this site is that you would go through and you can choose some of these affiliate launches. So like the big launches are people who are big name in the industry, people who have released a series of products over and over again that do really well. They have them under this list, and then under all launches is pretty much all the launches that are happening in the next few weeks and the next coming months. So what you would do on this website, again, you'll actually come over here and you will start going through and you'll try to find an affiliate product that you can promote. So if we were to choose one, so let's say, like, as you can see here, they have like little symbols here. So this will let us know that it's being launched on JVZoo. This will let us know it'll be launched on Warrior Plus and things like that. I think this is ClickBank. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you sign up for these affiliate networks and create your account. They're all free to join. So it's jvzoo.com. You also have warriorplus.com and clickbank.com. You can come over there, make sure you sign up for these affiliate networks. Again, they're free. And then you want to start choosing some that you can actually promote. So let's choose this one right here. This is on Warrior Plus that's coming out on September 18th. Now on the JV page, this is where we can find out additional information about the launch and the product as an affiliate. Now once you come over here, this is where you want to scroll down the page, get the information, see if it's something that you want to promote. Now if you do, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you get your affiliate link. So again, you want to make sure that you sign up as a Warrior Plus affiliate for this particular product. And then up here at the tab, it says sign up to be an affiliate. So if you click on this tab right here, it'll take you to Warrior Plus, and it'll have where you can request a link to promote this particular product. Now, when you request to promote a link on Warrior Plus, typically a message box will pop up, and this is where you definitely make sure you do this, guys. You want to include a short note to the vendor letting them know that you want to promote this product. If you do not do this and you have no sales history on Warrior Plus, or you're a brand new affiliate to Warrior Plus or even JVZoo, they won't approve your request to get the link. So make sure you include a note there. Say that you're new to Warrior Plus, you do have low sales history, but you plan on promoting this product on YouTube, and you want to include the link to your YouTube channel and things like that. Also, when you sign up for these affiliate programs with JVZoo and Warrior Plus, they have the option to where you can actually fill out a personal profile. Make sure you fill out that information, include social links like your Facebook account, or if you use Instagram, put your Instagram link there. They want to know that they're dealing with a real person, they're not dealing with a robot or anything like that. They want to make sure that you're genuine when it comes to promoting their products. Okay, so make sure that you do those things, and that's how you're going to be able to get your affiliate link. Now, once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next thing you want to do is promote using YouTube. Now, I'll jump into that in a few minutes, but what I want to share with you next is the second strategy that you can use in order to promote affiliate products on YouTube and earn commissions. So right now we're looking at Warrior Plus. This is one of the affiliate networks that I was talking about that you can join for free. So once you are here on Warrior Plus, what you want to do is you just want to find products that have been released, whether they're new, they can be just like 2 years old. You don't want to go any further than that probably. But you want to find products on here that you can promote and create evergreen videos with. Now, what I mean by evergreen videos, so like with the last strategy with launch jacking, you want to name your video the actual product name review. So for example, like one of the products I promoted before is called Commission Seeker. So I will actually put that in my video title, Commission Seeker Review. When I talk about evergreen videos in this strategy, it will be something like how to make $100 per day on Pinterest. So that's an evergreen type of topic that you can create, and it's going to get a lot more views in comparison to the launch strategy that I just shared with you using Monetize and things like that. So what you would do is you would come over here to Warrior Plus, and then you want to click on the affiliate tab and then choose offers. Now once we are here, we just want to put in the offer title or something like that, or a keyword. So let's say we put in Pinterest and we want to do search. Now we have here a search of all the products that they have on Warrior Plus that deals with Pinterest. So as you guys can see here, I promote Pinterest Affiliate Explosion, and you see this is green right here because I already sent my my message to the vendor and I got an affiliate link. So now that I have that, I can promote this particular product. And again, this product came out in 2018. I created a simple video where I just talked about how people can do affiliate marketing using Pinterest. So I did the video. I didn't talk about the product right off bat. What I did was I showed an example of how people can actually earn affiliate commissions with Pinterest, and then at the end I let people know about Pinterest Affiliate Explosion. And that's how I've been able to generate sales with this product. Again, that came out 2018, and I basically used an evergreen topic in order to generate sales from it. So as you guys can see here, this is a picture that I had posted inside of my Facebook group, and this is the video that I did. How to make money on Pinterest without blogging, $100 a day for free. And look, I earned commissions from it. See, I earned $12.79 from Pinterest Affiliate Explosion. And I have earned a lot of money from this particular video. And this video I actually posted, it says 4 months here, but this is back when I actually initially posted this this screenshot in my group. But I posted this video back in December of 2019, and I still earn commissions from Warrior Plus for this particular product for one video that I created back in December. And the most recent one that I got was just a few days ago, and this is the end of August as I'm recording this. Okay, so this strategy works. Now we're looking at my YouTube channel. Okay, so I want to share with you how I did this on my channel. So if you come over here, you can actually see some of the results that I did. So here is Commission Seeker, right? So this is just a plain old review. It's Commission Seeker Review. And then what I do is just a full review of the product. I let people know what the product is. I show them the back office of the product. I show them what they can expect from it. And then I also offer bonuses. Since there will be hundreds and thousands of other affiliates promoting the same product, what I want to do to stand out from the crowd is create a bonus package, so that way they'll actually buy from my link because they're going to get my additional bonuses and things like that. So that's what you want to do when you just do a flat out review. So if you come over to my channel, if you click on Commission Seeker Review, or if you click on Tube Domination Review, if you click on any of these videos, and what I will do is any website or any videos that I refer to in this video, I'll include them in the video description below this video. And you can check out those particular videos. You can see me do a full-on review. You see that I follow a certain pattern pretty much. Again, I show the back office, what the product offers, the benefits, the features, and things like that, and then what I offer as bonuses. About Pinterest, how to make money with Pinterest, how to make money online with Pinterest, and then I also have another Pinterest video up here, Pinterest affiliate marketing. You can click on either one of these videos and you can see how I actually present the information, how I teach people how to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest, and then how I include information about the Pinterest affiliate explosion, and I include my affiliate link, and that's how I generate sales. So again, with this strategy, you're doing reviews of affiliate products out there. So with this, you're learning two different ways that you can actually do this one strategy, which is doing review videos about affiliate products that have been released or are about to be released. So you can either do a flat out review with the name of the product in the title, or you can do it where you're using an evergreen title, you're teaching something, and then you mention what the actual product is that they can learn more about and actually get more information on how to do that strategy in depth. And you include that information in your description below your video. You include affiliate links to those products, and that's how you do that. Now, if you want more in-depth information and training on how to actually do this step by step, then I highly recommend that you get this product called iPassive. This is how I actually learned the strategy of creating evergreen topics on YouTube and then promoting affiliate products, and that's how I'm able to get more views to my content by creating evergreen content on YouTube. So with iPassive, again, they're going to show you the overview of this method. They're also going to show you how to share content. They're going to show you how proof of this actual strategy works. And then you're also going to see earnings that they have done on other platforms as well. They're going to show you the strategy, exactly how to set up your video, how to actually record your video. And again, if you don't want to show your face, it is not necessary to do it with this strategy. It's a low-cost product, and again, this is a great way for you to actually do product reviews online using YouTube and earn affiliate commissions. Again, you guys saw the proof how I'm still earning money from that Pinterest product using this strategy that I learned here in iPassive. So under this video in the description below, I'm going to include a link where you can come over here, learn more about iPassive. Again, it's a low-cost product, but you're going to learn so much from it. And the guy that actually teaches this, which his name is Mark, I still learn a lot from Mark, especially even with my YouTube channel. He's an amazing guy. And then he also earns about $15,000 per month with his channel, with his YouTube channel. So he knows what he's talking about. So again, if you want to know more information about iPassive, go underneath this video in the description below. I'm going to include a link. Come over here, purchase iPassive, and that way you can learn this strategy in depth and start earning affiliate commissions on YouTube. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I share with you one strategy done 2 ways, and that's how you can actually earn money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, again, if this is your first time watching my videos on my channel, make sure you also comment below. Let me know where you're watching from. And then also hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That'll help the channel to grow. And I will see you guys in the next video.